Namaste. All of you are welcome to today's IT class. Today we are going to start your fifth lesson using computer mouse. Okay, let us start the class. Look here. What is this? Yeah, this is computer mouse. What is the spelling of mouse? M-O-U-S-E. Okay, mouse. This is mouse. Mouse is an important part of the computer. Okay, this is one of the part of the computer. Look carefully. This is computer mouse. This is one of the important part of computer. Okay, all of you understand? What is this? This is mouse. Look carefully. What is the shape of mouse? The shape similar to egg? Yeah, yes. The shape of mouse is oval. Okay, what is the shape of mouse? Oval shape. Okay, all of you understand? What is the shape of mouse? The shape of mouse is oval. This is oval shape device. Look here. What is this? Yeah, this is wire. This wire connected to the CPU. Okay. Look, any specialities for this? Yeah. This look like the tail of real mouse? Yes. Okay, this is look same to real mouse. Okay, this is the tail of the mouse. So, this is mouse. Okay, all of you understand what is this? This is mouse. Mouse is an important part of the computer. Okay, the shape of mouse is oval shape. Okay, let me draw the picture of mouse. Look here. Okay. Yeah, that's really look like mouse. Okay, what are the parts of the mouse? Look here. This is left button. Left button. Okay. This is right button. Right. This is called a scroll wheel. Okay. This wire connected to the CPU. Okay. All of you understand? Look here. This is mouse. This is the left button. This is the right button. And this is the scroll wheel. Okay. The mouse consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. Okay. All of you understand? What is this? This is computer mouse. This is the important part of the computer. The shape of mouse is oval shape and a wire is connected to the CPU. The mouse consists of two buttons. One is left button and right button. This is called scroll wheel. Okay. Left button, right button and a scroll wheel. This is wire. This is used to connect to the CPU. Okay. How we hold the mouse? Okay. Look here. Our palm placed just above the mouse. Then index finger place the left button. Then middle finger place to the right button. Okay. This method we hold the mouse. Okay. Look here. Just we placed above the mouse. Then place the index finger to the left button. Then middle finger to the right button. Okay. This is the way to hold the mouse. Okay. All of you understand? How we hold the mouse? Just to place the mouse, then place above our hand. Then index finger placed to the left button and the middle finger placed to the right button. Okay, this is the method to hold the mouse. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, what is this? This is mouse. This is an important part of the computer and a wire is connected to the CPU. The shape of mouse is oval shape. Which shape? Oval shape. And the mouse consists of two buttons and is scroll wheel. Two buttons. One is left button. What is the spelling of left button? L-E-F-T. Button B-U-T-T-O-N. Left button. This is left button and this is right button and this is scroll wheel. Scroll wheel. Left button, right button, scroll wheel. These are the parts of computer mouse. What are the parts of computer mouse? Left button, right button and scroll wheel. Okay, all of you understand? What are the parts of computer mouse? Left button, right button and scroll wheel. Okay, in this class we have learned about computer mouse. Computer mouse is a part of the computer. Then a wire is connected to the CPU. The shape of mouse is oval shape. Mouse consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. Which are the two buttons? Left button and right button. And how we hold the mouse? Just to keep the mouse, then place the hand above the mouse, then place index finger to the left button, then middle finger to the right button. Okay, this is the way to hold the mouse. Okay, I think that all of you understand very well. If you have any doubt, contact me. Namaste.